as I was working a little bit further on this live sampling machine and other stuff I did this week on little live sets, and I thought, oh yeah, you know, it's very, do yourself a favor if you go through all these things and working with all kinds of processes and change and this goes through there and reaction, and especially if you're just hunting for interesting sounds, if you use a sample or if you use a live recording or whatever, and you want to build on that, and usually you just work it out and think, oh yeah, these are the ingredients, and from there I take it, whatever. But yeah, well, at least during the work process of a session, it's not very unwise to just grab a Control Alt and take one with the keyboard, like this one here, and then, well, tell yourself, okay, I'm gonna step by step, occasionally at least, if you want to make big steps, occasionally go for a preset, and then just all the acts involved getting the same presets. Step of that, you make a little snapshot preset thingy, and then you at the end of your session, if you got, I don't know, a load of them, you can go back step by step saying, okay, I was here, I did that, and then that was the effect on it, and then everything comes along just fine. Like I do now, I'm going to use the 1 till 9 keys on my keyboard to be the organizer for that, with a specific purpose. It may interfere later on with other preset preferences. Yeah, that's true. There's something to think about. Of course, you can record a whole session in a rec events, which is lovely, and it's looking back like you're just completed the game level and looking back at it. Yeah, okay. So, but basically, what you do is then, yeah, you take you punch in the 1, like you can see here, the 1, and then you hook that up with the first one. To come on, yeah, the KK here, and you say, okay, can I have the presets? Here they are, and in this case it's preset 1. I mean, and then you clone that 3 times, and then you say, no, you're going to be the, well, whatever you want to hook up there, right? Rainature 1, Rainature 2, and what's the name? Munger. Everybody's going on the 1, yeah? Hopla, hopla. Are we going? We are going. And then do the same with 2, of course. Oh man, it's genius. Where's 2? 2 is here. Alright. 2 is going to be, well, the same thing. Le renard. Right, and then we clone it with here 1, 2, 3, I guess. He's nicely slow, huh? Oh. Oh, I forgot about this one, man. It's just like you cannot do talking and okay, this is number 3. You have to fill that in. Don't forget. What do I have? Oops. I have everything prepared for that. Oh, God. It's like, oh no. Did you say? Okay. I have everything there. Sort of like wow, ready to go and everything. So there you go. Okay, well, yeah, think about it. What about, why is he not going? GG2? Where's GG1? G1 and G1, 2, 3. They don't have a 3? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, just one more remark about this. Let me see. If I change to 2, alright. That's interesting, because if you do it sort of like manually change it, it's not always in the first time coming along as you have saved it. You see? I have to punch in twice sometimes. Okay, well, anyway, that's all I wanted to say. It's like, you know, organize it like this, and you're happy. You're happy because you can go back to a certain point in time. That's all I wanted to say. Hello? He is all. Yes. All right. Well, talk me a bit. Talk me through this process once more. Just, yeah. All right. From the top, maybe. Maybe. From the top. From the top. Well, from the top. Once is enough. All right. All right. Maybe. Maybe. Faster. Let's go a bit faster. Maybe. Yeah. No. Sure. Maybe. Yeah, just go. Maybe. Top, maybe. Yes. All right. Yes. All right. All right. Number 3. Number 3. Record, please. Maybe. All right.
From the top. Maybe. Right. From the top, maybe.
Oh, that one is not changing.
From the top,
that is sweet.
Maybe.
Oh no.
All right.
What's happening?
From the top.
Oh. Okay.
All right. All right.
Hang on. That KK Rainer is not complying. Let me see. What do you presets? Do you do presets with it? I'm not sure. Let's see the other one. What's the other one saying here in the client window? Never presets, but speed slider. Why not, mate? Buffer menu. Yeah, please do the fucking do the darn buffer menu. You see I'm saying, yeah, the buffer menu. It was the buffer menu. Alright, right. Yes, okay. Sorted.
Maybe. Yeah, yes, yeah. All right. Just. All right. Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
For sure. Sure. Alright. 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 Sure. Alright. Alright. Alright.
Oh, I had one button. Didn't I have one button to... Yeah. I remember I had a quit button. Whoops.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
Not everything is working. Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Leave while you can. Oh no. He activated the up and down thing.
Wow, that's all, folks.